Hello all my dear students, as you can see this is one of the previous year question which is trending nowadays, and thus this particular question is going to be very important for your upcoming examinations as well. So let us learn the easiest trick so that we can solve this particular question within few seconds in the exam. So here it is given the cost of 25 items is same as the selling price or the revenue earned by selling X items. That means what? If you buy 25 items, whatever money you need to pay, that is same or equal to the revenue earned or the selling price by selling X item. So if you sell X item, whatever money you will earn, that is equal to the cost price you have paid for 25 items. So this is concluded from the first line. Next, it is given find X. So you need to find the value of X if the profit made in the transaction is 25%. So here the profit percentage is given to be 25% and you need to find out the value of X. So what you need to do is you need to start with the 25%. Do you know the fraction value of 25%? Yes, very good. You all know 25% means what? 1 by 4. That means if CP cost price is 4 in this fraction, then the profit will be the numerator, that is 1. And we know cost price plus profit, if you add, you will get SP, that is 4 plus 1, that is 5 over here. So from here you can conclude that the ratio of cost price and the selling price will be 4:5. So this is the ratio of cost price and selling price, that is 4:5. As here the cost price of 25 items is same as the revenue of selling X item, therefore the total money or the amount is fixed. So you can conclude from here that if the ratio of money, that is cost price and selling price, is 4:5, then the ratio of articles will be inversely proportional to this, that is 5:4. Now my dear students, if you observe carefully, you are getting 5 in ratio in case of article of cost price, but in the question it is given 25 items were bought. So here 5 will be 25 items or articles in actual. So from ratio, if you need to go to the actual value, you need to multiply by 5. So in case of this selling price, here the selling item is 4, or total 4 items were sold in ratio, but you need to find out the actual value, that is the value of X items. So here you need to multiply by 5 as well. So you are getting 4 into 5, that is 20 items. So if you buy 25 items, whatever money you need to pay, that will be equal to the selling price of 20 items if the profit is 25%. And you were asked to find out the value of this, that is the value of X. So your answer will be option number 3. So my dear students, if you find the content of this video helpful, do like, subscribe and share this video with your friends. And to get notification of newly uploaded important contents of our channel, you need to click on the bell icon. See you in the next video with new important concept. Till then, keep practicing, keep improving.